Hola, señorita.
That is so mean.
I didn't even move or make a sound. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, you guys, it is Saturday, and I'm home with the kids for a little bit. Seth ran an errand to help his dad with some coal to get their house warm because it's freezing. And anyway, he's pulling in. Okay. I think he's feeding the rabbit. He does a lot of outside chores.
That was tricky.
Hello.
Hey. You
Did
got,
I get ya?
you got me. I guess.
You were whistling away out there. It was scary. I'm watching my scared you.
Watching a scare.
Scared of a scare. He's feeding the rabbit. Stop. He does a lot of outside chores.
See, I do outside chores. I do
Yeah,
work.
you do. Who said you didn't?
The internet.
You're being goofy.
I want to see it.
Yeah. I was trying to make a... Stop! Seth!
What you doing there? I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was a double. Andrea in the
Sorry,
background.
but you still didn't get me.
But I got your mom, and I wasn't even trying to. Collateral scare.
Who cares?
Attitude. It's Saturday here at the house. The girls are making. What are you making?
We are making,
BLTs for
and
lunch.
we are having
Strawberries and whipped cream for dessert.
Nice. So there
and
work.
poor little bacon. One piece of bacon. left.
Yummy. I couldn't wait, so I'm eating some veggie pizza while I'm waiting. Yummy.
Yummy.
One poor little piece of bacon.
Lonely piece of bacon left, huh? And Saul is in here. What are you doing?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Looking at these.
Looking at your Pokemon cards. Kid is obsessed with his Pokemon cards. How many cards do you have?
Like 300.
Speak up, boy. We can hear you.
Like 350.
350. Sounds like about enough. And I am eating this deliciousness. Have you ever had this veggie pizza? It's got like croissant on the bottom, right?
Right.
Good stuff.
So good.
Yummy. Gets it every time. Down there.